Ewa Bird Show. Lots of people here. There's Doug Beaters, Robert Perry, the Roller Man. This is still part of the bird show, but they have it, looks like the cafeteria. They're selling all kind of goodies in here. And here is the guy responsible for all of this stuff.
No, the children is responsible.
Oh, the children, okay.
The love of the children.
Oh, this is Cam, everybody. Thank you, Cam, for everything. You the man.
The man.
Exciting pictures too. Like they stay together. Like when they sleep, they all sleep together. What do you have? Oh no, not, the ones on that. The ones in these cages are big tray. Oh no.
So caught up tortoise. There's another one over here. Willie Akiona. This is Ale La Cuesta. A couple of bird guys.
We will be finishing up the fan voting.
And these are her birds. John, how long you have been keeping chickens?
Maybe a few years now, about 3-4 years.
3-4 years, because I remember, I thought that you and Cam only had pigeons.
Oh yeah, we have chickens. I have 12 chickens now. 12.
So what now? What you guys have like a couple hundred chickens later, huh? Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Pretty boy. Hi everybody, this is Reverend Cam, good friend of mine and also a good friend of all the birds in Hawaii.
Yes, I am.
Ha ha ha.
Yes, I am.
Anyway, Cam,
Yes.
can you tell us now, I think maybe, I know you don't want to take credit, but I think you guys got to take credit for all of what's going on here today at the Ewa Bird Show.
For me, the kids take all the credit. This is a mission of mine to get the kids off the computer and into the backyard with pets and, you know, all different kind of things. But getting them off the computer and into the yard.
I would say that we have at least 1,000 people here that came and went.
Yeah, you know,
maybe more.
You know, the parking situation was crazy. Initially we thought it was only maybe 100, but this is just friends of the family, friends of the pigeons, friends of the hobby. Yeah.
Are you planning on doing this every year, or this is just one time kind of thing?
This kind of thing, this event is we're planning every June, depending on Stan Tamashiro, the principal, which we want to thank, and my wife Joy, who works here. But the bird competition would be most likely in December, but the family event is we plan every June.
Okay, well, you know, Cam, I think next year June, this was such a success. I think next year it'll probably be this many people. I can see even more people showing up.
I hope we have a lot of friends of the hobby. We have all the different local pet shops, feed stores, feed people from Royal Feed in the mainland, Pomona Feed from the mainland, Kalihi Pets, Waimanalo Feed, all these different people coming, giving me stuff, Pet Depot, Purina. Honestly, I spent maybe about $100 on printing. That's it, you know. And feeding my people, my volunteers, the Campbell High School students. Without them, a lot of stuff wouldn't go. But thank you for everybody, and you too.
Oh no. Hey, well, thank you, Cam. Always good to talk to you. Always good to see you and talk to you about birds and whatnot. But you know what? Next year, we'll see what happens.
Okay, maybe White does a full-on and have a booth.
Maybe. Gotta talk to the boss, the wife.
You take care.
Okay,
Aloha.
Cam. Thank you. Mahalo.